Today on the Big Dog Holler Barbecue channel, we're making some Alabama white sauce chicken. So stay tuned and find out how we did it. Welcome to the Holler, everybody. What we have here are two roughly 5.5 pound chickens from Springer Mountain Farms. And to get started, we're gonna get these unwrapped and then cut in half. So we'll be right back as soon as we get that taken care of. All right, so as you can see, we have our chicken cut in half. All we're gonna do to season this is utilize some Morton salt pretty heavily on both sides. So on the skin side as well as on the other side there. Be sure to get underneath and on top of the wings. And like I said, don't be shy when seasoning this kind of chicken. Get underneath the wing there. And then I'm gonna pat it in. All right, now we're gonna do the same thing to the back side. Season liberally with salt. And if you haven't already, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We try to post videos every week on Wednesdays at noon Eastern. We certainly have lots of exciting videos ahead. So we're out here at the Masterbuilt, currently running some Jealous Devil charcoal briquettes along with some Bear Mountain BBQ mesquite wood chunks. And we're gonna get this chicken thrown on here. So let's get one half placed over here and another half placed over there. And then we're just gonna let these ride at 300 degrees for roughly an hour to an hour and a half. We're really looking for a nice golden brown color on these, and we'll be back at that point in time. All right, so the chicken's been on just over an hour and a half at this point. Let's take a look. As you can see, have a nice golden brown color. So what we're gonna do at this point, we've melted up some butter. Gonna add that to the top. Add it to the next half here. And we're gonna flip it over, probably for another hour or so. Looking for roughly 165, 170 in the breast. Get this flipped. Nice color on the bottom as well. We'll add some more butter to that side just to make sure it doesn't dry out at any point in the cooking process. And like I said, we'll be back in roughly an hour. Now it's time to make our Alabama white sauce. So of course we're going to start with roughly 2 cups of mayonnaise here. Get that added to our big bowl. Get that scraped out as well as we can. To that, we're going to add roughly a cup of apple cider vinegar. We're going to add a dash of lemon juice, about that much. And then we're going to add a little bit of pepper. Just go over the top like that. And then we're gonna add a pinch of salt as well here. And we're gonna get it all mixed up. We'll call that good enough. Let's get this mixed up here. And this is what we're gonna use to dip our chicken into. So we'll get that nice and mixed up. And then next we're gonna go pull the chicken off the fire. All right, so we're back out here at the Masterbuilt after roughly another hour. Let's take a look at these birds. As you can see, got great color on the back side. Flip this one over. Incredibly juicy and great color on the skin side as well. So let's get these pulled off and get these birds baptized. So now is the fun part for making some Alabama white sauce chicken. We get to give these birds a little bit of a bath here. So let's grab one of these halves and we'll go in, try to get it covered as best as we can. We'll go on that side as well. And we'll let some of that excess dry off. But there's our Alabama white sauce chicken. Gonna put it on the cutting board and get it cut up. All right, so we have all these birds baptized and one of them sliced up a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and grab myself a leg and give it another extra bath here. But there we have it. Alabama white sauce chicken, Big Dog Holler style. Whoever eats the most gets the most, so dig in.